Hi, this is Somshakar from Maths Guru Academy. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. We are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.1 of the chapter Quadratic Equations. The question is represent the following situation in of the form quadratic equation. So we have to represent the given situation in the form of quadratic equation, right? So first one, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square, right? The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So first statement, what they are given, area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So that means let us assume this is a rectangular plot, right? So area of this rectangular plot is 528 meter square they have given, right? So second statement, what they have given, the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So this is our length, right? And this is our breadth. So what they have given, the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth, right? That means if we multiply breadth with 2, twice means we have to multiply with 2, right? So if we multiply breadth with 2 and add 1 more means we have to add 1, right? So if we multiply breadth with 2 and add 1 to it, so then that will be equal to the length of the plot they have given. I repeat, if you multiply breadth with 2 and if we add 1 to that, then that will be equal to length of, right? So let the breadth of the plot be x. We don't know the breadth, right? So this breadth we took it as x, right? X meter. So let the breadth of the plot be x meter. So we don't know the length also, right? So then the length of the plot is equal to what they have given, length of the plot. So length of the plot is means is equal to 1 more means we have to add 1. For what we have to add twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means what we took the breadth as x, right? So if we multiply with 2, it will become 2x, and then if we add 1, then this will be equal to the length of the plot, right? The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth, right? So next, what is the area of a rectangle formula? Area of rectangular plot is equal to what the area of rectangle formula, length into breadth, right? What is the area of rectangular plot they are given? 528 meter square. 528 meter square is equal to length. What is the length of the plot? 2x plus 1, right? Then into breadth. What is the breadth we took? X, right? So here 528 as it is. So x into 2x, 2x square, plus into plus plus, 1 into x, 1x. Now if I shift 528, so what it will become? 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Next, second sub question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. So what they have given, the product means we have to multiply. What we have to multiply? Two consecutive positive integers. So if we multiply two consecutive positive integers, then that will be equal to 306 they have given. So first of all, what do you mean by consecutive? In simple words, we can say the next number, right? For example, if we take 5 as an integer, what is the next integer? 6, right? So if we take 10 as an integer, what is the next integer? 11, right? So like that, consecutive means in simple ones we can say the next number. So in this is all about integers, right? If we take odd number, so if we take odd number, what is the odd number? Here I will take 13. What is the next odd number? 15, right? So this is also consecutive number, but this is consecutive odd number, right? So this is a consecutive integers. This is consecutive odd numbers, Getting? So sorry, consecutive even integer or even number. For example, I will take here 4 is a even number. So what is the next consecutive even number? 6, right? So this is what we call consecutive even numbers. So this is consecutive odd numbers. So this is consecutive integers. Next, so in a simple words we can say consecutive means the next number. So here we talked about numbers, right? Now let us take it as a general. So if I take x as a consecutive integer, then what will be our next integer? X plus 1, right? So see here, if I take our consecutive integer 5, then the next number is 1. Add 1 to this 5, then we will get 6, right? So if we take 10 as a consecutive integer, so if we add 1 to this 10, then we will get 11, like that. If I take x as a consecutive number or integer, then next number will be x plus 1. We have to add 1 to this x, right? So like that. This is about consecutive integers. Then what about a consecutive odd number? If I take x is a consecutive odd number, then next odd number will be x plus 2, right? So for 13, if we add 2, then we will get 15. So like that, for x we have to add 2, then we will get next consecutive odd number. So same for even number also. If I take x as a consecutive even number, then the next number will be x plus 2, right? So here we talking about consecutive positive integer. So since we talking about integers, so if the one number is x, then the other number will be x plus 1, right? So we have to take this one. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x and one more x plus 1, right? We are what they are given, the product of two consecutive positive integers 306. That means if we multiply these consecutive integers, then that will be equal to 306. They have given product of two consecutive integers is equal to 306. So product of consecutive integers means we have to multiply these two integers. So what is that? X into x plus 1 is equal to 306, right? Now x into x, it will become x square, plus into plus plus x into 1, 1x is equal to 306. Now if I shift 306 to the LHS, so it will become x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Next sub question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age, right? So what they are given, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. That means if Rohan is 10 years old, assume, I'm just giving an example, assume Rohan's age is 10 years, then what will be his mother's age? 36, right? If Rohan's age is 10 years, then his mother age will be 36. We have to add 26 to his age, right? So since they are given Rohan's mother is 26 years more than him, we have to add 26 to his age. So it will become 36. Suppose if the Rohan's age is 15, then his mother age will be, so what it will become? 41, right? So like that, if we don't know the present exact age of Rohan's, right? Suppose if we take x as a Rohan's age, then what will be the age of his mother? His mother age will be x plus 26, right? We have to add 26 to his age, right? If present age of Rohan is x, then his mother age will be x plus 26. So solution, let the Rohan's present age be x years. So we don't know the exact age of Rohan, right? We need to find out. So let our present age of Rohan's is x years. Then his mother's age will be x plus 26, right? X plus 26 years. So next, what they have given, the product of their ages. Product means we have to multiply. What we have to multiply? Their ages. Their ages means Rohan's age and as well as his mother's age. We have to multiply both the ages. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. That means from here after 3 years. So after 3 years, if we multiply Rohan's and his mother age, then that will be equal to 360 they have given, right? So after 3 years, Rohan's age is equal to, if the present age of Rohan is x years, then after 3 years his age will be x plus 3, right? We have to add 3 to his present age, right? So like that, in the same way, his mother age will be, his mother's age is equal to x plus 26 is the present age. So after 3 years means we have to add 3 to their present ages, right? So it will become x plus 26 plus 3, 29 years, right? So Rohan's mother's age after 3 years is x plus 29 years. So after 3 years, if we multiply Rohan's and his mother age, then that will be equal to 360 they have given, right? The product of their ages after 3 years is equal to 360 they have given, right? Product means we have to multiply. What we have to multiply? Both Rohan's and mother's age after 3 years, right? So after 3 years Rohan age is x plus 3, and after 3 years his mother age is x plus 29 is equal to 360, right? We are multiplying both the ages. So now we have to multiply this x plus 29 with x and as well as with 3, right? So x into x plus 29 into plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360, right? Now x into x, x square, plus x into 29, 29x, plus into plus, 3 into x, 3x, again plus into plus, 3 into 29, 87 is equal to 360. So now x square as it is, plus 29x plus 3x, so it will become plus 32x plus 87. If I take 360 to the LHS, so it will become minus 360 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 32x as it is plus 87 minus 360, it will become minus 273 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. If we simplify this quadratic equation, then we can, or we'll get the age of Rohan's and his mother age. So since they have given, only write the situation in the quadratic equation. So we have represented the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. That's it. Thank you. So next 4 sub question we will solve it in the next video. Thank you.